Okay, so for the second question here, we're asked to modify our code so that it will continue indefinitely until as long as I'm adding a yes when prompted. So I'm going to add a while loop to my program. I'll need to indent these next things. And so I'm going to just say a while true, capital T. So this is going to be an infinite loop because true is always true. Until I break out of this loop. So I'm going to ask what my integers are, is going to print those numbers out. And then as soon as that's done, I think I'll just print an empty line to differentiate from the output of the program to the question about whether they want to continue. So I'm going to add a variable called do you want to play again? So the again variable, I'm going to ask for input. Would you like to play again? To like to try again. And I'm going to give them that we can say yes or yes. Or maybe just say yes or no. Yes or no quotes. Okay, so that will be stored inside of again. Now I can just do a selective statement. I can check the value of again and say if again is equal to. So in selective statements in Python, comparison operator is with 2 equal sign. So if again is equal to, we're asked to check for capital YES, or if again is equal to small YES. If that's the case, then I really don't need to do anything. Or maybe, again, I'll just print a blank line before the program runs again. And if it's not that, then it must mean that they want to break. So they want to stop the program. So if I say break, that will break execution of our while loop, and then the program should end. So program would end with print, thanks for playing. Not that this is a game, but so that's sort of the end of the program. I can run it now. Syntax error, if again, where have I got? Okay, so the syntax error is being identified here on line 20. Sometimes the compiler isn't smart enough to guess it until a little bit too late. So sometimes actually it appears in the previous line. So I look up at question number 19. I've opened my brackets here, but I haven't closed it. So I got to close my input statement. Now let's try running it. First integer, 5. Second number is 10. Turns out the number is select apply again. I'm going to try yes. What's the first integer? 10, 5. Would you let's try again? Small y or capital Y, yes. Still does it. And then I'm going to say no. Thanks for playing. All right. Any questions? Let me know.